When recording voice performances for audiobooks, is a dead space preferable to a room with some resonance?
Not really. And in fact, one of the reasons that they reject you in ACX control is if you have zero noise floor behind you. They don't want that. They want some sort of room tone. They have very strict standards. If they have whole pages of audio standards for submitting audiobooks, I think it's a 60 dB signal to noise ratio for the noise floor. And if you get over 60 dB, but you cannot get to zero or they will knock it back out to you. So, what they want is something listenable. And the idea of absolutely nothing behind a voice, particularly people try to achieve that by putting algorithms in there to whenever they stop the voice for a second, they're just going to crush it to zero. And then all of a sudden, what you find out is that same engineer, and I put that in quotes because it's typically somebody who's a narrator trying to do their own engineering, they'll put compression on and then all of a sudden, before every time you deliver a line, the noise floor comes back up and then drops down to zero to nothing. And I think that's as distracting as anything else. So that's why they have all those standards for how to actually engineer an audiobook to pass quality control. And every book that goes out into the big services, at least, has to go through that quality control system.